Most people don't have a money problem. They have a thinking problem. You can work harder, save more, invest earlier, start side hustles, watch hundreds of financial videos, and still feel stuck because tactics are not the real problem. There is one invisible thing underneath everything. And once you understand it, making money becomes easier. Not magically, but structurally. This is the shift that changed how I looked at money after years in banking, real estate, and eventually walking away from all of it to build something different. And if you understand this deeply, your entire relationship with money changes. Why tactics alone never work. Most financial advice starts from the outside. Earn more, spend less, invest, budget, diversify. None of these things are wrong. But most people fail because they apply strategies without changing the identity underneath. You cannot build wealth with a scarcity mindset. You cannot create abundance while operating from fear. And you cannot attract opportunity while constantly feeling desperate. Because money is not just math. Money is psychology. Two people can earn the same income. One grows financially. The other stays trapped. The difference is not information. The difference is internal structure. The one thing underneath everything is this: money flows toward value, not toward need. This changes everything. Most people try to make money because they need it. But the world does not reward need. The world rewards usefulness. You do not get paid because you want money. You get paid because you solve a problem. You get paid because you reduce pain. You get paid because you create convenience. You get paid because you make something easier. This is why some people earn millions, not because they work harder, but because they create larger value. Once you understand this, you stop asking, "How do I get money?" and start asking, "How do I become more valuable?" That question changes your life. What wealthy people actually operate from wealthy people think differently. Not because they are smarter, but because they understand leverage. Most people trade time for money. Wealthy people build systems that create value repeatedly. They think in terms of skills, assets, attention, distribution, relationships, ownership. They stop chasing money directly and start building things that money naturally follows. This is why money often feels easier for some people. Because they are not chasing income, they are building value ecosystems. A creator builds an audience. An entrepreneur solves a painful problem. An investor owns assets. A brand creates trust. All of these become magnets for money. Money is often the result, not the starting point. Why chasing? Money pushes it away. The more desperate you become for money, the worse your decisions become. You panic. You take shortcuts. You chase trends. You buy courses without execution. You compare yourself constantly. And desperation makes people reactive. But money rewards clarity. Money rewards consistency. Money rewards people who solve real problems repeatedly. When you stop asking, "How fast can I make money?" and start asking, "What can I build that creates value for years?" you shift from survival mode to creator mode. And creator mode changes everything. Because now your decisions become long-term. You stop running. you start building. The practical reframe here is the practical shift. Instead of obsessing over money, obsess over becoming difficult to ignore. Learn skills, improve communication, understand psychology, build credibility, become known for solving a specific problem. Because the market pays attention to usefulness. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? What skill can I improve? What knowledge can I package? What system can I build? What audience can I serve? Money becomes easier when you stop treating it like a destination and start treating it like a side effect. Most people spend years chasing money. Very few spend time becoming valuable. That is the difference. Once you understand this one thing, making money becomes easier. Not because life changes overnight, but because your thinking changes. And thinking always comes before results. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe to MonkOfMatrix. Because every week, we break down money psychology, mindset, and real-world strategies that actually matter. And tell me in the comments, what is one thing you were taught about money that you are starting to question? I want to read every answer.